Alright, this is also very amazing today on the it's the 24th of July 2023 and it is Hakolahdentie 6 again, is it 6 or?
5.
5, yeah. 5 staircase B, and we have filmed this staircase before. It was built in 1956. 65 is old, 2021, and silver is 643. Going to be inspected next year, 2024, and it deserves 3 rights. It's also here in Lauttasaari rooms, Helsinki has 4 schools in modernized Finland, and you can also take a A here. So I love this one here.
I see.
Take against this 3 birds and sort of patterns.
Jos tiedät vain, että meidän temppaisi vaan hissiin.
Second right door?
Yeah, third right.
Third, yeah. Luckily we got inside because the code was completely impossible.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. Excuse me. Yeah. And that's the light skull.
Yeah. That's